How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to yet another episode of Luis El Apóstol Feliz. Happy Three Kings Day to all of you guys. Feliz Dia de Reyes to, my friends down in Mexico, wherever you guys are watching. Today, I have something. Today, I have a YouTube first review, a YouTube premiere review on this haul that I got. So, we're going to start with what I've got. So, here it is. Feast your eyes on this. I know what y'all are thinking. Don't you already have a Land Rover Defender 130? And I do have it, but I have it, underneath that drawer. And so, yeah. This is a dandy. It is, obviously, this is in the Matchbox moving parts, as y'all can see. You do have great details, and you do have your logo. I'm still going to zonk it, even to this day. Why do they have to add this rack worth of supplies? This is supposed to be a luxury SUV. This is supposed to be an off-road SUV. I wish they would have taken this off and, and just leave the top bare. So, you guys can see the base details. So, and it rules. So, set that one right to the right. And here is the highlight of the day. Here is the highlight of the morning, y'all. Check this out. Woo! I haven't fully unboxed it yet, but you can see right there you do have your, recycling to your two men right there. I don't know if these are removable. No. So, obviously, this is a recycling truck. You can see the dumpster. You can, these are, oh, wow. These are, ooh, wait a minute. Ooh, check this out, y'all. Yeah. You do have a dumpster to put all your recycled goods. Oh my gosh. And look at this, y'all. You have 4 garbage cans. So, this one, I believe this is garbage. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah! This is awesome, y'all. Check this out. I think this is for garbage. And wow. This is, I'm gonna bring the other trash cans over here. Woo! Check this out. Check this out, y'all. Yeah! I am gonna zonk the fact that these wheels are just fake wheels. I don't know why they decided to add, this is by Kid Creations. I don't know why Kid Creations added fake wheels. But check this out, y'all. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. This is a dandy, y'all. And I'm only going to show you guys how this works. So you just have to wait. I know this takes 2 hands, y'all. Well, I think I didn't put it on right. Okay. And check. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah! Look at this, y'all. Woo-hoo-hoo! And so there you guys have it. So this is by far a dandy. And listen to the noise. Ooh. Well, and look at this. Yeah. So I am going to have to zonk the fact that these lights are just fake. And also the top lights. Gotta zonk the fact that these are just fake lights. So gotta zonk the fact that those front lights are just fake. So yeah, overall, this is a beauty, y'all. So gotta put my garbage cans right here. Woo! So I know this is a long video, y'all, but I want to show y'all what I got for Dia de Reyes. Set my Land Rover Defender 130 right there. So there y'all have it. A complete haul for Dia de Reyes, Day of the Three Kings. Thank you to the, three wise men for this awesome, little token of appreciation. I'm never gonna stop celebrating Dia de Reyes because it's not just for little ones. It's for kids of all ages. And so I'm going to be doing a separate review on this on this awesome garbage truck and on my Land Rover Defender 130. Obviously, y'all have seen it once. One time I went to Walmart and I saw that garbage truck, that Land Rover Defender. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that y'all never miss any of my future content. And until next time, Luis el Apóstol Feliz. Catch y'all next time. Peace.